with Paul Senior, the product manager for the Mastersizer. And we're going to speak about the Mastersizer 3000 Plus software packages, because it comes with a couple of them.
That's correct, yep. So when we've been developing the Mastersizer 3000 Plus, as well as attention on the hardware, we've put a lot of effort into focusing on the software. And we're releasing a number of new features, and I think our customers are going to be really excited about them.
So there's 3 distinct packages: the Workflow Guidance, the Workflow Developer, and the Workflow Expert. Tell me more about them.
Yes, that's correct. So we've got 3 packages that we're introducing to the Mastersizer software, and they kind of stack up in a tier model such that we'll have something that caters for everyone. So with these packages, we're introducing kind of intelligent feedback on your data, automation, and it's really kind of the starting point for introducing the exciting world of artificial intelligence to the Mastersizer software. So I think starting with the first, which is workflow guidance, that's really your, I suppose, helping hand in generating excellent quality data, and it does that through the data quality guidance feature. So data quality guidance gives you specific helpful feedback on your data quality, and it does that at every stage of the measurement, so background measurement, sample measurements, and kind of post-measurement checks as well. So
it kind of helps you on the right track, basically.
That's right, yep. So it's got a number of algorithms that it uses to constantly monitor the data quality. It's looking for any issues with data quality, and if it spots an issue, it will immediately flag it to the user so they can take action there and then.
Yep.
So they're not having to wait until the end of the measurement when perhaps actually it's too late for them to do anything.
Yeah. Makes sense. And then the second one?
So Workflow Developer is that kind of next step up. So along with data quality guidance, it's introducing a new feature called SOP Architect. So SOP Architect is kind of an intelligent assistant for helping develop wet dispersion methods. So it uses a standard workflow in assessing, well, helping along with sample preparation. It assesses stability, and it allows you to do titration experiments, such as looking at laser obscuration and stirrer speed. It presents all of this in a very kind of tidy format, and it's using artificial intelligence and automated tests to help the user along with that whole method development process.
Also makes perfect sense. And the third one is Workflow Expert.
That's correct, yep. So that's kind of the higher tier package that we're offering. That's really comprehensive package. So that's got data quality guidance, SOP Architect, as well as introducing a really exciting new technology called adaptive diffraction. So adaptive diffraction, I think I can explain it by, if we consider laser diffraction now, kind of real-world applications, they can be affected by things such as dust, bubbles, contaminants. So those can interfere with your scattering signal and ultimately mean that you get artifacts within your particle size, and ultimately you get unreliable data. But adaptive diffraction really helps with that. It uses machine learning to classify and differentiate between data from your sample and those interfering effects. So you get a really reliable, reproducible assessment of your sample data.
Yeah. And is that the one you're most excited about? Because that's what you just mentioned. That's a really exciting
Yes, so I think adaptive diffraction has potential to really change how people use laser diffraction, and how it potentially change how people view laser diffraction and the data it generates. So yeah, so that's a very exciting feature. I think it's yeah, potentially game-changing.
Potentially game-changing. So how do I get access to these new packages?
So these packages are going to be launched along the Mastersizer 3000 Plus. They are kind of software add-ons with the hardware that we're also releasing with along with that 3000 Plus kind of launch, and yeah, so they can be bolted on to the software.
Well,
that we already have, that everyone knows and loves.
Yeah, so exciting news.
Very exciting. Looking forward to hearing from our customers about all of these features and how it's helping them along their particle size journey.
Yeah, well, thank you very much, Paul.
Thank you.